Let me introduce the bus to you all. This is our 2006 Ford E450 Super Duty. Runs off diesel. It is a 8-cylinder. This is mine and my dad's first build. We did a lot of research.
And you got it with 113,000 miles on it.
That's right. We got it with 113,000 miles on it.
Considered low mileage.
So for a 2006, this is still a low mileage on our baby. Right now, Dad is working on our new flooring because all of this here was rotted. If you're wondering about these beams over here that we are working on also, which we'll finish once the rest of the floor is done. But we are going to put in insulated floor using these little foam boards. These will go in between all of these little pockets here. And it also just provides a better support for carrying the weight. This was the original flooring here that you see underneath. And so once the frame is done here, all throughout the front, we're going to add a top layer of the board. And that'll just be, like I said, a better support floor for all the weight that it's carrying. These buses don't come made with great flooring, so we had to do a lot just to make sure that we had good flooring. The front pieces we had to varnish, add a protective water sealant because there was a lot of rot underneath that. As again, these buses don't come well equipped for handling water. So over time, that water just created dry rot and the floor was literally deteriorating. And this is where we're at so far.